Okay guys, I just want to go over what we're going to start doing with the daily word problems so that you do not have to take pictures of them and send them to me or scan them or anything like that. I know that's kind of difficult to do sometimes, so in order to get credit for them, what I'm going to have you do is each day when I submit the word problem, I'll put it on Google Classroom. Okay, I'll also put it on the instructions on PowerSchool. I'll ask you to solve the problem in your notebook, to date your notebook. So I'm going to show you an example of the one that we did yesterday. So here's what I have you do. So you would put March 19 word problem. Okay, then you would look at the word problem, solve it in your book. Okay, so we had the one with Jackie went to the store to get cupcakes for her class. She bought 4 packages with 6 cupcakes in each. If there were 18 people there on the day she gave them out, how many cupcakes did she have? Now here is the work that I did to show this. Okay, so what I would do in my book, okay, to submit, to keep in my book, is I would draw my work, that shows that there's 24 cupcakes. See how I'm labeling it? And then I used an open number line to find the difference between 18 and 24, because there were 18 people there the day she gave them out. So I did 24 minus 18. That was my equation. So I did 18 to 20 was 2, and 20 to 24 was 4. So the difference between these two was 6. And then I wrote my answer statement. She has 6 cupcakes. Okay, so that's all you would solve it. Then you watch the video, check your answer. If your answer's wrong, fix it. Okay, fix it in your book. If you still have room the next time for the next word problem, you can do it right on the same page. You can do it on the back of the page. Okay, just as long as you are putting the date, showing your work, having an answer statement, all right, then checking it over to make sure it's correct. Now in the Google Classroom, what I will have is I'll have the question, and then I'll have a place for you to just submit the answer, okay? And then you can submit that. Keep working in your book. Don't take a picture again. Just the book. When we come back to school, you'll hand me your notebooks and I'll see all your work in your notebooks. I think that might be easier than having to keep taking pictures and sending them in to me. So we'll do it that way. You'll have a problem. You'll solve it in your notebook. You'll write the answer in the Google Classroom where I put the question. Okay, you'll submit that to me, and then when we come back to school, you'll have this to show your work. All right, so follow those instructions for every word problem that I assign. All right, guys.